Welcome to our video showing you how to use essential oils to relieve aches and pains. Let's get into it, shall we? Peppermint has long been used to treat pain and is one of the most versatile essential oils. From fighting bacterial infections to relieving muscle aches and pains, peppermint has a long list of amazing benefits. Use the following recipe to make a homemade body oil to treat muscle and joint pain. Combine the following in a glass bottle and shake well. 4 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, 5 drops of lavender essential oil, 4 drops of peppermint essential oil. Apply several drops overnight over sore muscles, massaging it with circular motions. While you massage, inhale the aroma and enjoy the therapeutic properties of the formula. Lavender will calm you while peppermint relaxes and refreshes the hurt area. Store in a place away from heat and sunlight for up to 3 months. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.